Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hairology. I hope you will be fine. In today's video, I have brought wolf haircut for you. The wolf cut is a tapered haircut with choppy short layers that start at the crowns and gradually get longer towards the ends. This cut has become a viral TikTok sensation and is loved by women because it is edgy and rebellious. The haircut is defined by its heavy layers and volume at the crown and looks like a mixture of shag and mullet. Many women have created it themselves in the comfort of their home by tying the hair into a ponytail and cutting the ends, but it may be best to head to the salon to create the looks of your dreams. The great thing about this haircut is it's versatile and it can be created on all length and hair textures. The wolf haircut has been popping up everywhere after becoming a viral trend on TikTok, and there is a lot of love about this style. For starters, it is versatile, lending itself well to different lengths and can be achieved on all hair textures. It is ideal for creating volume and giving your hair movement. It makes a deliberately messy and unstyled appearance, giving you an effortlessly cool look. The cut can be adapted to suit your preferences. This includes how you style the fringe, and curtain bangs are great addition. These bangs will frame the face like a curtain on a window and incredibly flattering. They can be long or short, full or wispy, and will transform your hair and highlight your facial features. This haircut is amazing for straight, wavy, and curly hair types. You could cut a heavy, solid fringe, a textured round fringe, a side sweepy fringe, or a curtain bangs. This haircut is perfect for short, medium, and long hair. If you like this haircut, let me know in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.